Get ready and learn easy. Welcome to Maths channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So in this video we are going to see 4th chapter quadratic equation exercise 4.2 fifth question. They had given that altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base, and if hypotenuse is 13, find the other two sides. Okay, first draw a right angle triangle. They had given the hypotenuse is 13. Hypotenuse means which is the length of the side is high, that is which side is biggest side. We have to mention this hypotenuse, so we are taking this hypotenuse as 13, and altitude of the right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less. Okay, so if we are taking this base as x, they are telling 7 centimeter less means which is less? The altitude. So this is what? Altitude. So if we are minus this 7 from this base, we can get the altitude as x minus 7. They are telling this altitude is 7 less this base. I am taking this base is x. So we have to minus 7 from this base. We can able to get this altitude. Okay. And next one we have to know about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse the whole square is equal to height square plus base square. Here the hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to height. Height means AB, that is AB square plus base square. Base is BC. So BC square. Now we are going to apply what are all the things we have in this diagram. After that we are going to find this base and this altitude. Now by Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, what is that? Hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square, write it. So hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. This is what the Pythagoras theorem. Now hypotenuse is what? AC. So that is equal to AC square, and for height we are having AB. So AB the whole square plus BC is the base. So for base we are writing BC square. Now we know the value of AC is 13. So here 13 the whole square is equal to AB. We already find AB is what? The altitude. Altitude is 7 less than the base. So I am taking the base is x. So we are minusing the 7. That is what the altitude of the triangle. So AB is x minus 7 the whole square plus BC is what? BC we are already taken as base as x. Now the 13 square is 169. So 13 into 13 is 13 square. If we are multiplying 13 into 13, we get the 169. Now this is in the formula of a minus b the whole square. First a square, in the place of a we have x. So x square minus 2 into, for a x and b is 7, plus b square means 7 the square. And here we have x square. BC is x. We are going to square it, means x square will come. Here x square minus 2 into 7 is 14x plus 7 square means 49 plus x square, that is equal to here 169. Here 1x square, here is 1x square, that will become 2x square, and this is what? Minus 14x, and this is what? Plus 49. I am moving this 169 to this side, so 169 will become minus of 169. Now 2x square is there, write this equation. 2x square minus 14x, so 49 minus 169, so minus of 169, we are adding this 49, we have to minus this. So 9 minus 9 is 0, 16 minus 4 is 12, 120, and the sign is minus. Why? Because 169 is the greatest number which is having the sign of minus, so minus of 120. Now we are going to find the roots for this quadratic equation. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Here the x square coefficient is 2 and the constant is minus 120. So if you are multiplying this, we are getting this minus of 240. We have to split this into two numbers. While we are multiplying this number, we have to get minus 240. If we are adding these two numbers, we have to get this minus 14x. So find the factors by long division method. We are taken 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 120. Again 2 times, that is equal to 60, and 2 means 30. Again 2 means 15 times, and 3 we are taken 5 into 3. So we are getting this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 4 times, and into 3 into 5. This is for the factors of the 120. Or else here, see here 2 is a common factor. If we taken these 2, the 2 will go this side, will become 0, and the equation becomes simplified more than that. Now we have taken these 2 outside, means we are able to get this x square minus 7x minus of 60, that is equal to 0, and the 2 will go divided by of 0, means that will become 0. Now here the coefficient of x square is 1 and minus 60 is there. If we are multiplying this minus 1 in plus 1 into minus 60, we get minus 60. We have to split up this 60. By multiplying these two numbers, we have to get the minus 60. By adding these two numbers, we have to get minus of 7x. So 12 5s are is 60. We have to get minus 7x here. If we are putting minus sign in this 12, so minus 12 into 5 is equal to minus 60. If we are adding this minus 12 and 5, we get this minus 7. So instead of this minus 7x, we are applying minus 12x plus 5x. So the now equation will become x square. For minus 7x, we are going to apply minus of 12x plus of 5x minus 60. So that will become 0. Here if we are adding these two numbers, we get the minus 7x. We are multiplying these two numbers, we can able to get the minus 60. Now taking out the common terms which are present in the first two, I am taking the outside of x. Finally we are getting here x minus 12, and if you are taking this plus 5, here we will get this x minus 12. See, 5 into x is 5x, plus into minus is minus, 5 into 12 is 60, plus into minus is minus 60. Now the common things are x minus 12 is there. So x minus 12, we are taking the outside commonly, and here remaining thing will be x, and here the remaining thing will be 5, that is equal to 0. Now equating these two to 0, we will get the value of x as here 12, and here x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now the a value of x is equal to minus 5. See, in this, here the roots of 12 and minus 5. So minus 5 is not applicable. So we are going to write this. The length is cannot be in the negative. Here the length cannot be in negative. So we can take the 12 only the root. So x is equal to 12 is applicable. Okay. Now what we have to find this, they have given that to find other two sides. Other two sides means base is x. So base what we have taken x, that is equal to 12. So 12 only applicable. The negative sign we can't be able to apply for this length or the altitude. Now we have to find altitude. Other two sides means one is base, another one is altitude. So altitude is nothing but AB. AB we are taken is x minus 7. So x is what? 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. So altitude is 5 and base is 12. This is what the final answer. Thank you.
Thanks for watching our channel. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் உங்களுடைய கமெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கொஷின்ஸை மறக்காம கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.